In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the equation editor in Microsoft Word. This allows you to insert and edit mathematical equations, formulas, fractions, symbols, and other mathematical expressions directly in your document. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to use the equation editor. The easiest way to insert an equation is to go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. Look for the Symbols section, then click Equation. When you click Equation, Word will insert an equation box into your document and open the Equation or Equation Tools tab. From here, you can enter mathematical formulas using the available symbols and structures. You can choose options such as fractions, scripts, radicals, integrals, large operators, brackets, and other mathematical structures. If you don't see the equation option on the Insert tab, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt and the equal sign. Pressing Alt and equal sign together will insert a new equation directly into your document. If the equation command is missing from the ribbon, you can customize the ribbon to add it. Go to the File tab and select Options. In the Word Options window, select Customize Ribbon. On the right side, make sure the Insert tab is selected. Look through the available commands and groups for the equation command. If necessary, use the customization options to add the command to the ribbon. Click OK to save your changes. Now return to your document and check the Insert tab. The equation command should be available so you can insert mathematical equations whenever you need them. Keep in mind that modern versions of Microsoft Word already include the built-in equation feature, so in most cases, you don't need to install a separate equation editor. And that's how you can enable and use the equation editor in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,